Changing your payout method on Wintrust Financial is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wintrust Financial website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Session to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, find the option labeled Payout Methods or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You can add a new method or edit an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information such as bank account details or payment service information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payout preferences. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wintrust Financial's customer support for assistance.